Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get cash using your OnePay card. So let's get started. Before making a withdrawal, open the OnePay app and review your available balance. Make sure there is enough money on the card to cover both the withdrawal amount and any ATM or service fees that may apply. This helps avoid failed transactions. You can withdraw cash from ATMs, Walmart money centers, or retail stores that allow cashback during purchases. Since OnePay cards usually operate through Visa or MasterCard networks, check that the machine or store accepts the network linked to your card. To use an ATM, insert your OnePay card into the machine and choose the withdrawal option. Enter your PIN when requested and select the account type if necessary. And type in the amount you want to take out. Once approved, the ATM will dispense your cash right away. If you're shopping at Walmart or another retailer, you can also request cashback during checkout. Pay using your OnePay card, enter your PIN, and choose the cashback amount on the payment screen. The cashier will then provide the cash along with the receipt. After the transaction is complete, you can return to the OnePay application and check your transaction history. You'll be able to see the withdrawal amount as well as any fees connected to the transaction. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.